5 Elements Qigong. The 5 Elements Qigong animal forms work to heal, balance, and strengthen the internal organs and the meridians of the body. In this easy-to-follow, step-by-step program, you'll experience dragon, tiger, leopard, snake, and crane Qigong. The videos are complete with clear animations and multiple camera angles to help you excel in your home learning. White Tiger Qigong Master Instructor Tevye Fong leads you through each movement in detail, as Tan Van demonstrates. Tan is a senior White Tiger Qigong instructor and top student of Tevye Fong. She has been practicing Qigong and yoga intensively since 2013. Traditional Chinese medicine teacher Zoe Nash explains the purpose and health benefit of each Qigong movement with easy-to-understand traditional Chinese medicine theory, so you can use 5 Elements Qigong for improved health. Sports medicine expert Chris Kumar explains the amazing effect these Qigong exercises have on your connective tissue, or fascia, so you can achieve better mobility, elasticity, and body awareness. Five Elements Qigong.